Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to send money quickly and securely using Remitly, and you want to know how to pay with Apple Pay in 2025. Great choice. Apple Pay makes transactions super fast and hassle-free. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Remitly app installed on your iPhone. This is crucial because 2025 brings some updated features for smoother integrations. Open the app and log in to your account using your credentials or biometric authentication like Face ID. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to send and select your recipient from your contacts or by adding new details. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. Now, when you reach the payment method screen, look for the Apple Pay option. It's usually right there at the top for easy access. Select it, and you'll see a preview of your payment details. Remitly supports Apple Pay for eligible cards linked to your wallet, so ensure your card is set up correctly. Next, authenticate the payment. This could be with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. It's all about keeping your transactions secure. Once verified, review the final amount, fees, and exchange rates if you're sending internationally. Hit that Pay Now button, and you're done. Your money will be on its way, and you'll get a confirmation notification. In 2025, Remitly has improved processing times, so expect funds to arrive even faster. Before you go, a quick tip. Always check for any promotional offers or verify your recipient's details to ensure everything's smooth. If you run into any problems, Remitly's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.